So 6:20 in the morning, we've been woken up by the reverse beeping into the loading zone in our street. The loading zone was supposed to be timed from 7 a.m. in the morning when it went to the traffic committee quite some time ago, years ago. It's been changed without community consultation to 30 minutes. We're all ill here. We've got ill people here. We've got pregnant people. We've got families. Why is this happening? Do you think it's nice? Do you think it's fair? We've asked Rob Stokes, we've asked you, Rob, for 12 years to discuss with the minister to put some specifications on this street to use his special power. You've had 2 inquiries which stopped after the first 2 contacts. What's going on, Rob? What's going on?